Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to check and change your cabin air filter on a Chevrolet Silverado and Tahoe or GMC Yukon and Sierra. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let down our glove box. The way you do that is when the glove box is in, you push on the two edges and it'll slide right out. It's just got these two little holders right here. Now some of them do have a connection rope that goes right here. Some of them don't. If it does, you just pull it out and disconnect it right there. Once you get that done, you got 415 right here, right here. T15s, by the way, Torx 15s. I open up this top. Excuse me, this one only had two. Oh no, it does have four. The other two are down here at the bottom. Once you get those 415s out, the whole glove box will slide out of your way. From there, we're just gonna, whoops, hit the camera. We're gonna disconnect this little clip at the top on the other side and slide this retainer out of the way. From there, we're just gonna slide our cabin air filter out of the glove box. Make sure that if there's anything on top that it doesn't fall down into the blower motor. You can see this cabin air filter is dirty, needs to be replaced. All right, from there, we're gonna take our cabin air filter, slide it back in, and seat it down flat. Sorry, I'm moving around an awful lot. Then we're gonna take our clip, stick it back in on both sides at the bottom, and then just lift it up and you'll hear it clip, letting you know that it's in all the way. All right, from here we're going to take our glove box, let's open it up, stick it back in, and it'll click right in the spot. Once you got it in the spot, or in the right spot, we're going to go ahead and start our two top bolts. Tighten them down. Once they're tightened down, we'll go ahead and shut it and put in our bottom two bolts. Again, these are T15s. All right, from there, we can go ahead and put all the customer stuff back in their glove box. Hopefully your customer that you're working on doesn't live out of their glove box. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe! Thanks again for watching. Now, I'm not the kind of guy that's going to ask you to like my video or subscribe to my channel. I'm the kind of guy that's going to beg you to do it. Click one of these other videos. Subscribe to my channel. It's on one of these sides. Do them both. Do them all. Please!